So,
Well, can I ask you this? I want to ask you about the children, because someone in the chat room, when we started the show, we talked about how there was those IDF whistleblowers and others who've admitted to targeting children. I mean, snipers shooting them in the head.
they call it target practice.
Target practice. And someone in our chat room says, stop spreading lies. They're not shooting children. I mean, I think this person was new, maybe didn't understand, or hasn't read any books about it, really is unstudied about it. But can you, to this person who says they're not shooting children, what do you say? What's your reporting say on?
Well, some of the accounts, well, not some of the accounts, all the accounts that we've seen of American healthcare workers, doctors and nurses that have gone to volunteer in Gaza hospitals, they've come back and all of them have said that they've treated or seen children with gunshot wounds to the head and to the chest on a regular basis. Some of them went there. I remember this was back in 2024 for about 2 weeks, and they came back and said every day they were treating children with these wounds or seeing dead children with these wounds. And as you mentioned, we've seen reporting from Israeli media, Israeli soldiers coming out and admitting to shooting children. Just recently, there was a report in Haaretz, the Israeli newspaper, where an Israeli sniper said that basically his day was that they go up, they're in northern Gaza, they set up, Palestinians come to wait for aid, and they basically decide that, okay, if they cross that line, then they get killed. And the Palestinians have no way to know it. And this soldier said that he killed many civilians doing that, including children. So we see account after account. And that's just shooting. And I mean, when it comes to the airstrikes, I mean, there's no denying that they've been killing lots of children in the airstrikes. For 2 years, we've seen pictures of children ripped apart. So people just can't seriously deny that. And people question the numbers put out by Gaza's health ministry, but there's been several studies that have concluded the numbers are actually likely a significant undercount. And they have actually put out lists of the names of people killed, all the identities that they've confirmed. And they've listed nearly 1,000 children under the age of 1 who didn't reach their first birthday. And they also released their identity number, which includes an Israeli identity number. That, so these lists could be debunked if Israel wanted to try, if they were false. So there's just so much evidence that there has been a mass killing, slaughter of children. And we saw it again overnight with these latest Israeli airstrikes.
Yeah.
I think people need to be aware of these, and Americans need to be, calling their politicians and saying, we want accountability from our government. When an American journalist gets killed in a foreign land, there should be outrage and demand a full investigation and transparency, not covering it up for a foreign country, for crying out loud.